Hello friends, today I am showing you a snack recipe which is the favorite of all. Yes, samosa, and that too gluten free. Do try this easy and tasty samosa and mathi recipe. The ingredients required are 2 cups gluten free all purpose flour or maida, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1/4 cup ghee, 2 teaspoons carom seeds, 3/4 cup cold water. Mix all the dry ingredients very well till all the ghee has been incorporated in the flour. After the ghee has mixed well, take cold water. For making the water cold, I have added ice cube to it. After that, measure the cold water. I had to use 3/4 cup of cold water for this. As per the requirement, to make a soft and stiff dough, you have to ensure that just enough water is added to this. Once the dough has come together, just soften the dough with your hands and put it to rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the dough. Soften it with your hands and make small balls out of it. These balls have to be rolled out into round rotis. I have used a puri machine for this. After making the rounds, they have to be cut from the middle to get two semicircles. You can use a plastic sheet for spreading out this dough. As being gluten free, it tends to break easily. For the filling, I have used boiled and mashed potato, fresh green chili, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, red chili powder, chaat masala powder, rock salt and normal salt. Mix all these ingredients as per your taste and liking. Now for making the outer cover of the samosa, take each semicircle and wet one end of the strip with water and make a conical shape out of this. Add 1 teaspoon of mix to this and seal the edges very carefully. Repeat the procedure for all the samosa strips. While sealing, be careful so that it does not open in between or later on while frying. You may use water to reseal any edges or openings on the dough. Meanwhile, keep oil for heating up. The oil should be medium hot for this. Check the oil temperature by putting a small piece in it. And after that, add 3 to 4 samosas at one time. Do not overcrowd the oil as this may bring down the temperature of the oil and it may not cook thoroughly. The oil has to be at medium hot only throughout the cooking process. It took 6 minutes for this size samosas to cook properly. Once it has attained a little brown color, take them out on tissue paper. So that is it. Your crisp and very tasty samosas are ready to be served hot. They are very crisp. Now as I ran out of the potato mix, I thought of making matris out of this. So I just spread it out and cut it into squares and rectangles and just fried them. And I was astonished to find them super tasty and crispy and flaky matris out of this dough. I have made matris out of gluten-free suji as well, but these I feel are the best tasting matris ever. So this is another recipe which can be made with this same dough and can be stored in airtight containers for later use. So that is it, our gluten-free samosa and matris. Please do like, share and subscribe to Gluten Free India.